Alright, so right now we are leaving from our venue, and I know my voice sounds a little weird because I've been drinking cold water all these days. So my voice is sounding a little weird. So finally this event is over. We got to meet some nice people. Bhaskar, thank you for the note. In case you're watching this video, thank you for the note you left in the morning. We are overwhelmed. Hope to see you soon, bro. So guys, Bhaskar was one of our rider who met us at Rider Mania this year. An amazing person. We had a lot of good times, good memories. Wow, look at the view, guys. Wow, seriously amazing. Since we were riding at night, we didn't know it was this beautiful. Wow, what a view, guys. What a view it is. I seriously hope the camera is doing justice to this view. I mean, like, seriously, it's very beautiful. Finally we are on the highway. So far everything is going great. Harshad's wife is riding, Harshad is sitting behind.
So welcome back to my vlog, guys. Actually, so that was end of my vlog of BOBMC 2018 MahaRM. I promised something in my previous video. So guys, this is it. I was supposed to unpack this bag, the goodie bag which we got at MahaRM this time. So let's begin. So this is the first thing. Rider Mania 2018. This is the mug we got. I don't know why they just gave this. So they've written it, BOBMC MahaRM. So let's go check out next thing. Alright, so pretty much it. They gave us this buff. I think all you bikers are familiar what a buff is. You're supposed to wear it like this, or like you can wear it anyhow. You can use it like this. my hair. Alright, so you can also wear it like this. For now I'll just wear it like this. And the next thing we got is, I don't know, this is some pamphlet. It was not a pamphlet actually. This was the complete plan of Ridermania, like what all events were gonna happen at what time, everything was there. So let's see what else we have in the bag. Oh shit, it's not working anymore. So basically guys, this was a band we got at Ridermania. You can see it's written MahaRM. So we were supposed to wear it like this, and there used to be flashing LED. I don't know why it's not working anymore. It's waste. So I threw it. No offense guys, but I just threw it because it's not working anymore. So guys, the best part about this Ridermania was this t-shirt. They give us this MahaRM t-shirt. As you can see, they have written at MahaRM. So I think you should see the way I'm gonna change this t-shirt. This t-shirt, and it goes. Well, that's pretty much it guys. As you can see, this is the t-shirt I got, and I think it's looking pretty good. MahaRM and Michelin was their sponsor. They got their sponsorship things on their t-shirt. The t-shirt quality is not that great though, but it's good. So in case guys you like the video, please don't forget to hit that like button, and please do subscribe in case you haven't. I know my hair looks weird. Anyways, so in case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. It makes a lot of difference guys, and until then, goodbye. Boom.